Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we'll be discussing how to develop effective social media graphics and content. As a business professional, social media is a crucial part of your marketing strategy, and creating engaging graphics and content is key to standing out in a crowded online space. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to develop effective social media graphics and content. Before you start creating social media graphics and content, it's important to understand your audience once again. Who are you trying to reach with your social media posts? What are their interests? What are their preferences? What are their needs? This information will help you to create social media graphics and content that are relevant and are appealing to your target audience. Once you have a good understanding of your target audience, it's time to choose the right social media platform for your business. Different platforms have different strengths and weaknesses, and it's important to choose the platform that aligns with your business goals and target audience. For example, Instagram is great for visual content and reaching a younger audience, while LinkedIn is ideal for professional networking and business-to-business marketing. Now, let's move on to designing your social media graphics. When designing your social media graphics, it's important to keep your target audience in mind. Your graphics should be visually appealing and easy to read, with a clear message and a strong call to action. Use high-quality images and make sure to keep your design simple and uncluttered to avoid overwhelming your audience. You can use design tools like Canva, Adobe Spark, or PicMonkey to create professional looking graphics, even if you have no design experience at all. In addition to graphics, it's important to create engaging social media content. Your content should be informative, it should also be entertaining, and it should be relevant to your audience's interest. Use your social media channels to share blog posts, industry news, behind the scenes glimpses of your business, and other content that your audience will find valuable. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of content, like videos, polls, or interactive posts to see what resonates with your audience. Finally, make sure to use social media analytics to track the success of your social media graphics and content. Analytics can help you to understand which type of posts are most effective, which platforms are driving the most engagement to your business, and which metrics you should focus on to improve your social media performances. There you have it. Remember, keep your target audience in mind, choose the right platform for your business, design your graphics carefully with visually appealing graphics, create engaging social media content, and use social media analytics to track your performance. By following this, you would create social media content that effectively promotes your business and engages your audience. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.